Alright, hi guys. So today we're going to talk about place values. So to learn about place values, let's start with a number, but we want to make it a big number. So how about 19,308? So to better understand place values, we're going to break this number up one by one. So let's separate each number. So we have the 1, the 9, the 3, the 0, and the 8. So let's start with the 8, because that's our first number. In this first spot, this is called the ones place. Now this is pretty easy to remember, since it's the first number, we call it the ones place. Now, in this ones place, we have 8 number ones. So that might sound a bit confusing right now, but it'll make more sense later. So we have 8 ones, so 1 plus 1 plus 1, on and on and on, until we have 8. So this 0 is in the tens place. Now, that 0 is a little tricky. It's a little confusing. There are 0 tens. So here we had 8 ones, so we had a total value of 8, but there's no tens. So I'm just going to write a 0 down here. Now again, this might sound a little confusing, but I think it'll become more clear as we go on. So now let's move on to this number 3. This number 3 is in the hundreds place. Now, if we add all these up like we did here, you'll see we have 3 100s. So 100 plus 100 plus 100. We have 3 100s in the hundreds place. So if we add that up, we'll have 3 hundreds. Now, if we move on to the 9, we're in the thousands place. And if we add these up like we did before, we'll have 9 1000s. So 1000 plus 1000, on and on and on, until we end up having 9,000, or 9 1000s. Now lastly, this number 1 is in the 10,000s place. Now here, since there's only 1, that means we only have 1 10,000. So now, if we add all these numbers up, you'll see we have our original number. So 10,000 plus 9,000 is 19,000. And then add 300, that's 19,300. There's nothing in the tens place. And then add the 8, and we have 19,308. So it's important to know our place values because it helps us understand what's really inside each number.